Hi everybody, welcome to video number 3 for Thursday, March the 11th. What I'd like to do in this particular video is I want to discuss with you the persuasive assignment that you have coming up due for COM 252 by Tuesday, March the 30th, due by the beginning of class time at 3:50 p.m. So with this particular assignment, everybody, what I've done is I've asked you to place yourself in the role of a fund developer, F-U-N-D developer. And that particular role comprises someone or a team to try and secure funds from outside sources, so donors, organizations who want to be a part of generally a nonprofit organization and the work that they are doing. So organizations like the college, for example, have got a foundation set up, and we've got a fund developer in place who specifically targets individuals or corporations to help with student assistance, so in the form of scholarships, that sort of thing. So with this particular one, you have been placed into either a group of 3 or I have one group of 4. And you are either dealing with the Medicine Hat Women's Shelter Society, dealing specifically with the Phoenix Safe House Emergency Shelter Program on behalf of the Medicine Hat Women's Shelter. You could be dealing with the Medicine Hat and District Food Bank, more specifically their Healthy Bundles program. You could be dealing with the SPCA, so that's the Societies for the Prevention Against Cruelty to Animals, dealing with their spay-neuter assistance program. Or if you're that one group of 4, I have also assigned somebody to the Big Brothers, Big Sisters group here in Medicine Hat, dealing specifically with their Go Girls program. So you have got to become familiar with that organization, and you need to become familiar with the specific program that I have assigned to you. So make sure you focus your persuasive letter on that particular program for that association. And what I'm asking you to do is I'm asking you to put together a letter directed towards me, representative of that wealthy entrepreneur, and you are asking me to donate money to that organization and that particular program. Okay, it is going to be a 1-page letter dealing in that persuasive manner. So you need to persuade me to try and donate my money to your organization. Okay, and that particular assignment is due again on the 30th of March. So Tuesday, March 30th at the beginning of class time. What I've also asked you to do with this is I've asked you to comprise a letter that you are going to send on behalf of yourself, but you must also, as that group that you've been placed with, critique, proofread, suggest ideas that would help them maybe put together a better letter. So it is an independent assignment, but there's also a tiny bit of a group component attached to it. And I will put the rubric in Blackboard by Tuesday of next week. So Tuesday, March 16th, that will show you exactly where the breakdown is going to be from that independent to that group assignment. Okay, so putting your letter together separately, but then also coming together collectively as a group and taking a look at your teammates' letters and maybe offering some ideas to help them with that letter writing process. Okay, so Tuesday, March the 16th, we will be taking a look at Chapter 9, and I'm going to leave you with a little bit of homework here, everybody. What I want you to do is I want you to take a look at page 316 in your textbook, number 1, under the exercises, identifying types of appeals, because the chapter does indicate that there are certain types of appeals that you can use in your letter writing. Okay, and you are also asked about that in the assignment as well. So I want to spend some time on Tuesday talking about that particular exercise and that question. We're also going to take a look at pages 318 And we're taking a look at writing improvement exercises number 1, analyzing subject lines. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of work on that on Tuesday. And then we're going to spend the rest of the class looking at that case study exercises on page 319. And I want you to take a look at number 1, please, the persuasive invitation request. Okay, so a little bit of homework that I'm going to leave you with. Please take a look at those exercises for Tuesday. It's going to be a jam-packed class on Tuesday, and I want to make sure that we are all set and ready to go for it. So once again, take a look at page 316, number 1 under exercises, workshops, and discussion forums. Also take a look at page 318, number 1, analyzing subject lines, and page 319, the case study exercise, persuasive invitation request. Okay, so a little bit of homework, going to leave that with you for Tuesday. I hope you all have a great weekend. I'm almost through sending all of the emails for the case study rubric. Make sure you take a look at that. And in the next few days, I will be adding some comments in on Big Interview in regards to the mark that you've received. Once you see all of that, if you want to set up a time for me next week with Blackboard Collaborate, please send me an email. I would be more than happy to meet with you and discuss the marks that were assigned for those particular assignments. I hope you all have a great weekend. Get out and enjoy some sunshine. It is a beautiful day here today, and I'm going to get out very soon and go for a walk. So I will talk to you all next week. Take care.